Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my client Lucy and she's come in today for a redesign. So I took her previous set off and now I'm going in with design. So here I'm using CJP birthday suit and I'm just covering her natural nail colour. And now on this finger, because she broke this, well she didn't break it, the tip come off a little bit, so I decided to put a new one on, and as we had a new one on she was like, I want a glass now. So that's what we've done here. So here I'm going in with a new glitter. Hold on, let me find out the name of it. I think it's something Christmas. Yeah, it's called Berry Christmas Chunky from the Unicorn's Den. They do some amazing glitters. I'm loving them at the moment, and their packaging, like their little pots, are just as cute. So yeah, that's from the Unicorn's Den, called Berry Christmas Chunky. And I'm just doing this little, I've seen Liz Gill do it a few times. Copying you, Liz, and I. Copying you. Just doing like a little S, I guess, an actual S this time, kind of. Just covering that where the, you know, where the nude colour ends and the clear starts. So done that. So now I'm going in here with Glitterbels Very Berry, I think it's called. Still trying to get my head around using this brand. I think it, just because this one is so pigmented, I think it is just a bit, I find it a little bit sticky to work with. I don't know if it's just me or what, but yeah, I do love the colour of it, so I always just try and work my way around it, but it's just trial and error, isn't it? So yeah, here I'm just going to apply that to the entire nail. I go in a few times just to get the pigment and the colour nice and even throughout the whole nail. So yeah, I've been faffing around on this nail for too long now, but as you can see, it is such a stunning colour. It's definitely worth it. So now I'm going to create some sort of like a liney marble sort of thing. We decided it ended up looking like a candy cane, and it's November. Whatever, still look nice. So I'm using that Very Berry and birthday suit just to create that, and then I come in with the glitter that we used on the baby finger. So berry, yeah, and it's Christmas, isn't it? Berry Christmas Chunky is what the glitter's called. So this is pretty much a Christmas set, mate. Great. No, I'm joking. I didn't think it looked very Christmassy at the end. Give me your opinion on it. Maybe it did. I don't know. So yeah, just watch me enjoy this. Just watch me do this. And this brush that I'm using is the Aqua Glitter Planet Aqua brush, I think. Yes, I can see it's all sticky. I must work really messy because all my brushes are just going sticky, icky, and I'm gonna have to get new ones. Messy girl. So the pointer finger is just going to be a full glitter now, showing off that glitter in all its glory. Again, it's a multi-mix. You know how much I love my multi-mix glitters. One, because they're easy to apply, and two, just because it gives such a stunning effect. So yeah, I'm just going to pick up a small bead of clear acrylic, dip in that raw glitter, and then just nudge it all into place. And the thumb's going to be a glitter fade, so we're using that deep red at the cuticle area and dragging down, and then I'm going to pick up that same glitter and fade it down the nail from the tip. I love doing this. I used to enjoy doing them with like nude colours, but I like doing them with actual colours in the background now. Oh, love it. So then I did cap all the nails in crystal glass, but I didn't record it because I thought I'd leave a clip of me filing. I like to do one or the other and not both. I do both now and then, but it makes my video about 20 minutes long, and nobody wants to watch me do a set of nails for 20 minutes, do ya? I forgot to say, on that ring finger, I also used another glitter from the Unicorn Den, and it's called Diamond Blush Chunky. There we go. I've got a few, and I'm so excited to try some more out. So yeah, so now I'm just filing all the nails, getting them nice and smooth and even, and making sure my cuticle area is flush. Completely out of shot here, I apologise. I kind of still have my camera in that annoying position, but I tried to move it up a little bit, but I guess it's worked because you can see all the nails. My fingers are not getting in the way, but I still like my original overhead bird's eye view, because look, I'm completely out of shot. So once I've done that, I'll buff them all lovely and smooth. She'll go and give them a scrub with some soap and water, and then we're ready for top coat. So now we're all dust free and ready for top coat. So I'm using my CJP tack free top gloss and just applying a nice thin layer of that over all the nails, making sure on the glass now I go under that little glass bit. And I forgot to mention, on her other hand we put a new tip on her middle finger, so that was the glass now, so it was a bit of a switch up. So I'll leave a little clip at the end of her other hand for you to see. I think I like the other hand better as well, but whatevs. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you did, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. How can I keep forgetting about the cuticle oil? Cinnamon apple from NAFF STUFF. Honestly, you need it. And I also have a discount code from now, which is Tracy10, my usual code, and that give you 10% off. You will love this smell. Oh my god, can't even breathe right now. They look so good. Bye.